Guys, welcome back with another episode. Chainsaw 1 episode 4 called Rescue. Last episode, Meowie Power Intestines Rescue. Without further ado, let that do.
You see, bro, backstory. Oh, what the hell?
Oh, is that the head? Oh, bro. Nope. Oh, God. She think this is the forest, bro. You hold her head as trophies. Oh yeah, she doesn't have so much boobs. I didn't realize. Oh, we're gonna see how she. Yeah. We saved her. Oh, in the intestines, our stomach.
Oh damn.
Oh,
that's a lot of guts. Ugh.
The crows are already eating it.
One reason alone, baby.
Oh. She won't be like, do it, fuck it. Why did we get? Oh! Fuck. What the fuck is that?
What the hell is that? Why is it have
6 tits? Ew, it has legs. I don't
know what the hell that is.
Why it has holes in its feet?
It looks like a worm, but I don't know if it is a worm. Yeah. Who killed what? Ain't no way he was clapping you. Damn! But how is there no devil hunters here yet? Oh shit! Give the little nub, dog. Oh.
At least soft landing.
Oh.
Does it look like I give a fuck?
How's it romantic?
Because you're killing everyone, it's just you two. No way. Oh! He's gonna show you what a 2-incher does. Holy shit! Well, this animation is golden, bro. Fuck, it's slippery though. Oh, it's gonna wrap her around. Oh yeah. Beep.
Oh. Oh damn.
Oh, his eye. Oh my god. Bro, that eye is crazy. Oh!
Oh, fuck.
Who this? Aki!
Oh.
He's got a pet dog.
Oh.
She's a leech devil. Yes. Oh, it's a leech. Oh, it's a summon the bull thing. This man think he mega me, bro. Shadow dogs. Ew. Someone heal Denji. I didn't have a hole through his chest. What about his arm? No way, bro. He cares so much for Denji. He's making them bunny ears. Oh.
めえだって悪魔と仲良く話してただろ。俺は見てたぞ。本当に何も知らねえんだろ。デビルハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と
Don't
戦
just
う。
form contracts with devils.
俺は狐の悪魔と契約している。
Fox.
殻を借りる代わりに体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ。今回は皮膚を食わした。
Ah.
痛そう。悪魔は常に人の死を望む。それは魔人も同じだ。パワーいいやつだぜ。
Type shit.
巡回エリア外に行くお前たちが確認されている。それにコウモリの悪魔が潜んでいたと思われる家にはお前の血が大量に落ちていた。
Damn.
血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろ。理由はわからないがお前はまた悪魔に肩入れしているな。どうでしたかな。
娘がチェーンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
Oh.
ママに会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、よく見れば公安の服を着ていたし、そう言いたくて。
男の命なんて知る。
Oh, that's the car guy. Never mind.
俺がもっと詳しく調べて上に報告すれば血の魔人。
These fucking fingers.
だが死者も出なかったし、お
Well,
前
actually?
が一つだけ条件を飲むなら今回は見逃してやる。俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと。
Ah, damn.
Bruh.
お前はバカでガキで道徳がない。俺の言うことを聞いていればお前は今の生活を守れるぜ。分かったら返事。
He never had an apple before.
頭に入れといてやな。にしてくれ。あんたらみてえにご立派な目標はねえし、しょぼい夢しかねえけどよ。てめえと同じぐらい。俺、マジでやっからさ、どーんと期待しといてくれ。
Hell yeah. Yeah, we're like that.
敬語覚えとけ。もう、それも考えといてやるよ。
ああ、無罪だったけど。分かったらさっさとこれを外せ。
俺たちはデビルハンターです。あくまでも魔人でも。使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。でも敵は敵。利用するだけです。慣れ合うつもりはないですよ。
Yay, Makima! Never mind.
Bro, I think that's Haki.
That's because we're going to the 6th floor. This is Makima's floor.
Bro, where's she at?
Right there. You see right there.
Oh, bro, what the hell? Oh, I gotta get.
Ain't no way he wants Mak!
Who doesn't?
どうぞ。
Damn, you ain't read the Anji of the
Donji! Who
Right
the
back.
fuck is Donji?
そこで超悪い悪魔が住んでるっぽい家を発見し、
Oh, I like how she was suiting herself up because she smelled him coming in.
チェーンソーとなって
She has a good nose.
今度はヒルの悪魔の襲撃を受けました。
Man, fuck your report.
ヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。報告は以上です。
ご苦労様。デンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃう。巡回エリア内からの逸脱は違反行為だけど。
Oh no.
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから、不問にしてよろしいかと。
No way.
わかりました。
失礼します。
早川君も少し頭が柔らかくなった。
Now for real?
デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。
何も変わってないですよ、俺は。
Man, how old is Aki? An adult? Yeah, probably.
No?
No way he's not an adult. This man acts like an adult, bro.
Oh, yeah. They're roommates, right?
Mhm, yes. They sleep on the same bed.
I feel so weird seeing him with his hair now.
It does.
Oh, damn, he's making the coffee?
Bro, he's making that shit straight from scratch, bro. W mans. Oh, he's awake.
Oh, damn.
Damn, bro, you're so precise about everything. Potato.
昼飯何？これ、やり。
Who's that?
Damn!
You got nailed! Oh my god! Oh!
That's fucking power, isn't it?
のふ早川君ちの部屋に
That's diabolical, honestly.
デンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい
Oh,
首
hell
輪
Bro,
なんで俺の家にやばいやつばかり集め
he
るんだ。
got 2 kids.
私が早川君を一番に信用して
Oh my.
Ain't no
Oh
way!
my, I got
ずっと
complimented.
パワーちゃん不幸にできるって
Bro, imagine your boss commenting you, bro. Do you
大
want
丈
that?
夫だよ
Kare.
野菜は嫌いじゃん
Oh,
Oh!
fucking.
野菜を投げるな。
てめえ、野菜作った農家に失礼って思わねえのかよ。
Bye.
悪魔、
トイレクソはたまにしか流さん派じゃん
流せ。
くせえんだよ。
風呂はたまにしか入らん派じゃん
入れ。
くせえんだよ。
人間は繊細じゃのう
Bro, that would piss me the
Your average
fuck
cat
off.
lady, bro.
How you know that?
その長
Bro.
悪魔、野菜も残すし。
おいウル
おい、クソ。
Oh!
てめえのクソ、こびりついて取れねえんだよ。
Bro, how big are her shits?
あ？
優 を揉ませてやるから揉め。
Why in the bathroom though?
So no one can see. Fun time.
Means free on the toilet.
Ain't no way.
だが条件がある。
What?
手を揉んでいい回数は3問。
3?
ニャーコを助けたのが1問。
Uh-huh.
コウモリを殺したので2問。
Uh-huh.
そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれた
Shouldn't that be more though?
No.
手を揉ませるのは
From top? Not. Oh, that means Aki.
3問にありがたく揉むんじゃな。
Just eat her like that.
No way!
Oh my god, we actually get some power.
I just realized you can squeeze him 3 times. She didn't specify 2 hands or 1 hand. So technically he can do 2 hands and squeeze 3 times or just 1 hand and squeeze 3 times.
I don't know. Oh my god, she's so.
Now she's a cheerleader. Boxer.
That's so hard. Oh.
She's Chinese now. Oh, you're trash. Throwing all vegetables, bro.
Not me?
Yeah, she can't do any weapon with her blood.
I approve of power. I like that
Wow.
gremlin. You remember how last episode you asked me about her showering status?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's canonically stinky. You saw her
That
past.
makes sense. Yeah, I understood her. She was stinky then, but she showers like once in a lifetime.
I guess. True gamer right
I mean,
there.
she said that she does it occasionally, I think she said.
Just like the cat, just
Bro, they really gave a budget here, bro, at the end.
you ain't ready for next episode.
Bro, they better start off with some bull.
Sir, you need to calm down. I like the ending though. They showed power and everything. Oh my god. Don't love for power.
Oh, the fight was this one? I thought it was.
Oh,
yeah, the fucking
Leech.
leech. That looks like a peanut. I just realized. I mean, it makes sense for a leech and a bat since they both suck blood. Makes sense why they always clap in cheeks.
His little chainsaw those.
Even the 2-incher can be punishable.
He's hella durable even though he was like weak.
Thanks, bro. That man was getting whipped.
The only bad thing is he doesn't have no fight experience.
Alright, this was Aki's true squad though, wasn't it? At least we know Aki is freaky for Maki.
Bro, that's her boss.
That's his boss.
I mean, that's our boss.
Bro, this man's so responsible, bro. Then he has literally 2 children.
I mean, at least the other one is chill. He just...
Yeah, Denji's just there. He's like the chill dog. Yeah, he's literally the dog and she's the cat. Oh my god, yes. Thank you guys for watching today's episode of Chase Online. Please, you guys leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. You'd rather be a bat or a leech. I'll see you guys. Let's see you guys next time. Peace.